red color, blue color, orange color, parrot color, green color, brown color, black color, red color. Square, blue color. One triangle, two triangle shape. Green color. Circle, one circle, two circle, three circles, circle shape. Orange color. One rectangle, two rectangle, three rectangle, four rectangle shape. चलो बच्चों इसको थोड़ा और अट्रैक्टिव बनाते हैं. स्माइलिंग फेस. One square, one and two triangle, two, one, two, three circle, three, one, two, three, four rectangle, four, red color, blue color, green color, orange color, one, two, three, four. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle.